As a composer, do you ever encounter the dreaded writer's block when you can't seem to come up with any new musical ideas? Hi, it's Simon from Composing Academy, and in today's Composing Quick Tip, I'm going to show you how you can use everyday words such as your name to help you come up with new and fresh musical ideas. I'm going to begin by creating a table to assign every letter in the alphabet to a note in music. And I'm going to limit myself to the notes which are part of a major or minor scale. So here you can see I have the notes that make up the natural minor scale of A minor. I've chosen A minor because it means I can start on A itself and the first 7 letters can follow the normal alphabet letters. Once I go past G, I then simply create new rows as needed so that eventually all of the letters of the alphabet have a musical pitch assigned to it. So now I have my table, I'm going to try out some words to see what kind of sequence of notes I get. Okay, so I'm going to try my first name first, Simon, which has 5 letters. So S is the first letter, that would be an E on my table. Then letter I, that would be a B. Letter M would be an F, O would be an A, and N would be a G. So I've got the notes of E, B, F, A, and G. That sounds okay, but let's try a new longer word. Let's see how the word composing works out. So letter C would be a C. O would be an A. M would be an F. Letter P would be a B. O and A again. S would be an E. I would be a B. N would be a G. And of course G would also be a G. So altogether, I've got the notes of C, A, F, B, A, E, B, G, and G. Finally, let's try the word academy. So letter A would be an A, C would be C, A and A again, and of course D would be a D. E would also be an E, and now M would be an F, and finally Y would be a D. So I have the notes of A, C, A, D, E, F, and D. Okay, so I think I like this one best out of the 3 examples. I'm now going to add some rhythm to the sequence of notes, and also some chords to see how it would work with some added harmony. I'm going to try the chords of A minor, F major, D minor, and G major. I'm also going to take the melody up an octave so the chords don't sound too muddy down at the bottom end. So with this method, you can take your favourite scale or key, say a minor or major scale, starting on any note, and using a table, assign each letter of the alphabet to the notes of that scale. As you can see, using everyday words can be a useful way of composing, helping you to come up with new musical snippets, which you can then further develop. Not every word will work out, but start by using words such as your name and see what musical ideas come out. As always, if you have found this video useful, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel for more composing tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below as well.